Hey Armcandy lovers, welcome back. So this little delight has just gone onto our website. This is a Chloé alphabet coin purse. Chloé is Izzy's favourite brand, so she'll be gutted that I've got in before she has to film this. And isn't it adorable, an amazing colour? We've called it pink. It's a very kind of nudie, soft, sort of baby pink. It's beautiful. And the condition throughout is excellent. So this is their alphabet coin purse. Chloé sell it like this, and then you can buy letters of the alphabet, charms that you can add to this. So you could put your initial or whatever it was that you wanted to put on there. So we've got the Chloé on the front. On the back, you've got a flat pocket here, and then 4 card slots. Let's just show you that we've got Chloé on the little charm there. So then a zip to the rest. The zip goes around the side there, and you've got a little piece here so that nothing falls out. And then your section inside there for your coins. So let's show you what it comes with. And remember, if you're a bag lover, an SLG lover, then subscribe to this channel and hit the bell because you don't want to miss out on other things that are coming up. This comes with the Chloé box. It comes with the dust bag. It comes with the little Chloé card, and inside that there is the care guide and the authenticity cards, and also it's got 3 faux credit card thingies. The condition of this is absolutely excellent throughout. It's beautiful, pristine, perfect, gorgeous, stunning, amazing, incredible. So there is a link to this, to shop this on our website. If you go to our comments below this video, it will take you straight to this product if the product is available. Once the product's sold out, it will just take you to the website. I'm really sorry about that. Act fast, this will go really quickly. Yes, so there's a link in the comments below. Take you to that. Remember to give us a thumbs up and hit the bell before you go. But then once you've gone to the website, sign up to the newsletter and we will send you a discount code that you can use on your first purchase. It'll take you 20 seconds to do. Scroll to the bottom of any page. There's a little box, you pop your email address in, and then we immediately send you your discount. If you haven't got your discount code within 60 seconds, check your spam folder because it might have gone in there. But yeah, have a lovely rest of the day. Go and check this out, and we'll see you later for some more Armcandy.